everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name's Liza and welcome. Today's video is going to be a Christmas decoration haul. I absolutely love Christmas, so we've started quite early this year. We have a lot of decorations from last year still, but there were a few things that I wanted to just grab this year. So yeah, I can't wait to show you. This video is also a collaboration with my friend Laura, also known as Belle's Boutique. I think we've been friends since like 2011. We would talk foundations and fake tans back in the day, and we've become really good friends. Laura's got two beautiful children, Harrison and Everly. If you love my content on this channel, you'll absolutely love Laura. So make sure you go check out her video after this. I'll leave a link down below for you. Laura and I are actually both a part of the channel mum team, and I wanted to mention actually, if you're looking for kind of Christmas inspiration, whether it's gift guides, home decor, DIYs, anything to do with Christmas, check out Channel Mum. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link below as well to the Channel Mum website, because they've got so much good Christmas inspiration. Also on their YouTube channel they've got loads of videos coming up, so make sure you check them out. I'll leave a link down below for you. But yeah, I went to the range the other day and I also popped to Matalan, and I've got quite a few bits, so if you want to see what I bought, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with the biggest item that I can see at the minute, and I bought two of these. So the boys are actually going to be decorating their bedrooms this year. Last year we put like a few little bits in Vinny's bedroom. Renzo was still a bit young, but I had a few tiny little things. But I thought this year we'd make like a big effort and they can just decorate their own tree and things like that. So I thought that'd be really cute. But when I was in the range, I saw these, which I thought were really fun. And the theme for their bedrooms is just whatever they want. So I imagine it's going to be quite colourful, which is why I went for this kind of colourful Christmas tree. This was like £2.50 I believe, and yeah, I absolutely love the Christmas tree. So I was thinking I could pop this on their door, and I got two of those. So I got one for Vinny and one for Renzo. So yeah, absolutely love those. I thought they were super fun. Oh my god, I actually think I've picked up three. So I've got three of them, so maybe I'll pop one on. Where will I put the other one? Somewhere downstairs maybe. I don't know. I've got three of them anyway. And I also grabbed these kind of like candy canes, which I thought were really cute as well. They've got like a little bell on them. So I got two of those, again for their bedrooms. I believe these were about £1.99, £1.50, something like that. But I just thought they were really fun, super bright, and I love the red. So yeah, loved those. I did buy this Christmas tree. What is this, a tree skirt maybe? You put it underneath the tree so you can't see any of the like bits from the tree. I don't know, you put your presents on it basically and put it around the Christmas tree. They had loads of these actually, all sorts of different colours, but obviously I went for kind of the grey and white, and it just says Merry Christmas on it, and I thought that was really nice. It's got kind of like the faux fur, soft faux fur around the trim, and I just thought that was so pretty. And again, I think this one was £6.99. I also picked up some baubles. I think these were around £2.99 for the four, and they're kind of like a champagne-y rose gold colour. This year we kind of are not having a theme as such. I'm not sure. Last year I think we did kind of golds, silvers and whites, so we're going to stick with that kind of theme and just add bits and bobs. So maybe some rose gold, maybe some champagne colours, all very similar, which is why I opted for these, which I thought were really pretty. And they're just sparkly glittery baubles, and yeah, they were £2.49 for the pack of four, which was good. We also grabbed a couple of packs of these ones, so again just slightly smaller baubles, and these are in the kind of cream and gold and also silver in them, just metallic baubles. You get 6 in there, and they were £2.99 each set. I thought they were nice. Again, they're just going with our colour theme, and the more baubles the better, eh? I wanted more like, rather than just baubles everywhere, I wanted a few pretty decorations to go on the tree, so I did find a few little pretty ones as well. The next item are these kind of sparkly trees. Look how gorgeous these are. They're kind of like an iridescent, I don't know, they're just a mix of loads of different like colours. Oh my god, they're so pretty. These, I can't remember. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Oh, these were £4.49 each, and they do light up. I haven't got any batteries in them at the minute, so they're not gonna... Do they work? No, they don't work. I need to get some batteries for them, but I was thinking these could go really lovely on the fireplace or on my console table in the living room. I just absolutely love these, and I just thought they looked gorgeous. So I've got those, and they are glass. So are they glass? Are they glass? Yeah, glass cone, although it feels plasticky, but it is glass, so you have to be super careful with those. But those I think are one of my favourite things from this haul, which I just think they're so pretty. I bought some glittery eucalyptus because this always looks pretty at Christmas, doesn't it? I just got a couple of stems. They were £3.39 each, and I'm just going to incorporate those into other flower arrangements I've got like around the house. I didn't want to buy too many because I hadn't. Usually I would just buy the whole flower arrangement when I'm in there, but I didn't really see anything else that I liked, so I'm going to see how I can incorporate those into the flowers that I've already got at home, or go and buy some more. But yeah, I thought those are pretty. Eucalyptus always looks gorgeous at Christmas time, doesn't it? And especially with the sparkle, I thought that would look pretty. I think this will look quite nice on my island in my kitchen because I've got like a vase there, and I always put like a flower arrangement in the middle, so this would look really beautiful there. So I'm looking forward to creating a nice flower arrangement with those. While I'm here as well, I picked these up, and they're little dinosaur painting sets. So paint your own Brachiosaurus. Renzo will know what this is, and if you know my son, then you'll know that he is obsessed with dinosaurs. Mark picked two up, so I guess we're going to put one in Vinny's stocking as well. I just thought we were really good stocking fillers. Renzo is absolutely going to love this when he sees it. I think they were only £1.99, something like that, really affordable, but great stocking fillers as well. They have so many dinosaurs in there. If your kids love dinosaurs, definitely pop into the range. They've also got loads of great little stocking fillers in there as well that I noticed, so yeah, definitely pop in there if you're looking for things like that. We picked up these little penguins, this little penguin family. Look how cute they are. They're like little glass penguins. Is the price on this one? There's no price on this one. I think, oh, £2.29 for 3 glass penguins, and they've got like a, oh, they're actually facing this way. Can you see them? They have like little glittery bellies. So cute. I just thought those are adorable, and again, because I don't want to have just all baubles, I wanted some prettier decorations just dotted around, and I thought that little family was just the cutest. I also picked up 2 of these kind of little house ornaments which light up. They've got like little snow glitter on the top, and these are just glittery LED houses. Oh, this one lights up, look, so you can kind of see. Super pretty. Again, I just wanted this to kind of dot around the house. Maybe I'll pop them in the kitchen, on the windowsill or something like that. Oh, the next ones I absolutely love. These little chandeliers. Oh my god, look how gorgeous these are. They've got so many really gorgeous decorations in there, and I thought these chandeliers were so pretty. You can't see, but in my bedroom I've got like a chandelier. We've also got one downstairs in our dining room, so I just thought this would be perfect for the Christmas tree. And this one was £2.99 each, so they were £2.99, but they've got like beading on them, they've got gems hanging off of them. I just thought they look really pretty, so I got 2 of those that I'm going to pop on the tree somewhere. I love those so much. I picked these 2 Dachshund sausage dogs up because my mum has got a little Dachshund and the boys are obsessed with him, so I thought they could have one of those each for their Christmas tree, and that would be like a really lovely little sentimental decoration. So that is a little Daxie. So that is the little doggy, so cute. As soon as Renzo saw him, he was like, oh my god, that's Dudley. So yeah, I think they're really gonna love that. Vinny hasn't seen them yet, so I can't wait to show him in a minute. Again, because their Christmas trees are going to be quite colourful and fun, I went for this little Christmas tree decoration. I also picked up a little Santa Claus. I think these were only like 59p, super cheap. There's a little Santa there, and then there's a little snowman there, so very cute and quirky. I just want their trees to be quirky and fun and just, you know, what they would enjoy. So I thought these decorations, when I was picking them up, I was thinking of the boys and if they'd like them, and I know they'll love these. I also picked these up, just little Christmas present decorations, and they've just got the red bow on the top and they're super sparkly. These ones were 79p each, and then I picked these actually up for our Christmas tree, and they're just like little antlers, champagne coloured antlers. I picked up 3 of those, and they've got holly on the top and a little like diamante, so they just look like that, and I thought they were really gorgeous. That one was £1.79, and I picked up 3 of those. When I saw these, I thought these would be really funny for the boys' bedrooms. Quite fun. So we've got little Christmas cactuses. I absolutely love these. How cool are they? So they were £1.49 each, and I just got 1 each for the boys, and I thought they would look really fun in their bedrooms because I'm just that crazy mum, you know, that just loves a crazy decoration. Because I don't do like the downstairs too crazy, I keep it quite classic and quite pretty. It means I can go crazy with the boys' bedrooms. So when I see something a little bit quirky, I love buying it because I'm like, oh my god, the boys would love this, and it can go in their bedroom. So those are all of the little decorations and pieces that I bought for the boys' room as well. And then I bought this little dish, which is Santa. I don't know what this is or what I'm going to put in it. So it just says Santa serving dish. So I'm going to serve some, I don't know, potatoes in there or something on Christmas Day. I just loved it because it's got Santa on the front. And then finally I picked up one last piece from the range, which I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. I'm going to try and do a cutaway in a minute rather than me picking up the camera now because it's so big. Basically what Mark thought was, in our living room we've got a lovely framed picture from Laura Ashley, and we always have that all year round, but he said why don't we swap that out during Christmas time and put like a nice wintry scene or like canvas there. And when we were in the range we spotted this canvas and I thought, oh my god, that would look really beautiful. And it's all like sparkly, very wintry kind of snowy theme. You'll be able to see it in the cutaways now, but I just thought that would look absolutely beautiful, and it's quite big as well, and I think it's going to look gorgeous in the living room. So I can't wait to show you that when we do our decorate with us video, and also the house tour as well, because I am going to do a Christmas house tour for you, just so you know, because I just can't resist it. I did one last year. I'll link it down below if you want to watch that as well, because that was a really lovely one, but this year we're going to do even more because I just can't help myself. And then finally I just popped to Matalan just to see what they had in there. I got this gorgeous pillow which I'm going to pop on my little IKEA chair that I've got, and it's just got sparkly little reindeers, trees, like snowy scene, super wintry, and it's just something that I can get out every year. And it's kind of like a lovely linen material, very soft, and this was £12, but it did have like the 25% off. Because my chair is like a nice cream colour, it's kind of like a beige, I thought this would just go really, really well with it, so I got that. And then I picked up a really cute little sign, and I don't really have many places to hang up signs because I've not really got any hooks on like anywhere around the house, so I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. I might hang it on a door or something like that, but I picked this up and it says believe in the magic of Christmas, and we absolutely do. So I thought that was gorgeous, and it's still got that kind of champagne-y kind of white theme that we're going for. I just thought that was really pretty, and we can get that out again every year. That one was £6 from Matalan. And then the final two bits I got are not decorations, but they are Christmas water bottles for the boys, because Vinny needed a new bottle anyway, so I thought I would get him a Christmas themed one for school. And this one just says fa la 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 llama on it, and it's got loads of llamas on there. And then this one's just got little, I think these are little, I don't know what these are, llamas, monkeys, might be monkeys on there, I'm not really sure, with Christmas presents. But anyway, I thought the boys would really appreciate those, and they were £4 each as well. So yeah, that is basically all I got. I think we got quite a bit actually. I'm really happy with everything we bought. We've never really gone out and just bought loads of random stuff for Christmas. Usually you do, you know, like the usual, go buy a Christmas tree or just buy like a pack of baubles and tinsel and stuff like that. But so far this year we've bought a nice little mix of things, and I think they're really going to be incorporated well into the house. So I cannot wait to show you what everything looks like very soon. We are actually going to decorate the house today, I think, once I finish filming this video. So I'm really excited because this video is up now and we've already decorated the house, but I wanted to do it in stages because I just knew we were not going to be able to do it all in one day, and I wanted to know what we've actually got and if we need to get anything more. So yeah, I'm really excited to decorate. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to check out Laura's video after this and see what she's got. I cannot wait to go watch her video now. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. If you're new around here, I would love for you to stick around and check out all of my other videos and just be a part of the family. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.